In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can blur the background of your videos using InShot Video Editor. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and let's get into it. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your video and then tap on it to open. And as you can see, I have my video here. The next thing you need to do is to go ahead and choose the aspect ratio, and you can simply do this when we tap on canvas here. And from here, go ahead and choose the aspect ratio that you are comfortable with. So go ahead and choose the one you want, and then you can zoom to the level that you so wish. So I zoom to this level. And once you're comfortable with the aspect ratio, go ahead and tap on this check mark to exit. So once you're here, go ahead again and look for the option called background. And here we have the background. And now you can go ahead and blur the background here by choosing any of these options. So if I go ahead and choose this, you can see how that blur effect is applied. So for instance, I'll go with this. And once you're done, go ahead and also change the color if you so wish. So if you want to change this or to any of this color, you can also go ahead and use gradient if you so wish, and it will be applied. So choose any of these. If you also want pattern, you can choose. So for my case, I just want to go with the blur. So I'll choose this blur effect, and then I'll go ahead and tap on this stick to apply the effects. And now you can see, if I go ahead and play, you can see the video has the blur effects added. Let me first go ahead and remove this. I'll delete this first. Great. So the video is now perfect and the background has been blurred. So that's how you can blur the background of your video using InShot. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.